Which animal sleeps the most per day? Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day to conserve energy from their low-nutrient diet. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? An octopus has 3 hearts.
What is the fastest land animal? Cheetahs can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Which animal is the largest on Earth? The largest animal on Earth is the blue whale. It can grow up to 100 feet long. Which animal is known to sleep standing up? Horses can sleep standing up, so they're ready to run from predators at any time.
Thanks for watching! Come back for more videos! And please subscribe! Ching!